Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today inshallah we are going to make pizza. Here we have all the ingredients for making the pizza. So here we've got pineapple. We're going to do one pineapple. We got the sauce. We have a chicken breast piece, chicken fillet, and we have peppers, sweet corn, olives, jalapeno, salt, baking soda, yeast, and the flour and cooking oil. So first you get 2 cups of warm water. Okay, so you add 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, sorry, and you do a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, okay, and you do half cup of oil. Okay, give it a good mix. Okay, so a little bit of garlic powder, okay, a little bit of basil, which is dried. Okay, now we're going to add 5 cups of flour. Okay, so you need your flour, and you probably need a couple of spoons of water, as if you need to. Okay, so you set your dough for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so it's been 3 hours. As you can see the flour. It's been raised very well. The yeast have done its job. Okay, so that's your chicken cut into cubes. We're just adding this masala, which is a tandoori masala, and the other spices are garlic, chili flakes, vinegar. Okay, so we're just gonna do the chicken. Okay, so get that cooked for the pizza. As you can see, the flour is nicely raised. So that's 4 pizzas. Okay, so you do your dough balls and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. The chicken is done. Okay, so that's your peppers, onions, chilies, jalapeno, and olives and sweet corn. Okay, so that's the pineapple, and that's the cheese. That's mozzarella cheese. Okay, so you sprinkle salmalina into the pan. You know, the semolina makes a lot of difference. You give you a golden base, crusty. There you go. That's your pizza. Okay, so after the pizza sauce, you spread mozzarella. Okay, you start with your chicken, and then the peppers and onions. Okay, so that's everything on there. Now we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella on the top, and it'll be good to go. That goes in the oven. The best flour for the pizza is a strong flour. We use the plain flour because we run out of the strong flour, but that's the best. Or you could use a dedicated flour which is for pizza. Okay, so that's done, and there's one more to go. That's the last square pizza. Okay, so this is a little margarita for my little one. As you can see, it come out really nice, mashallah, tabarakallah. That's really nice. Okay, so let's cut the pizza in twice. Bismillah. Chopping board is a bit small for this big pizza. As you can see, it's really hot, so I'll wait for it. Okay, so that's the potato wedges getting cooked. Let's try the pizza. Bismillah. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Very nice, really good. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed watching the making of the pizza. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.